Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with software engineers. Which technology is best for backend development for off-campus job as a fresher? See, generally, Apurv, when you go for interviews, okay, they will ask you if you are a fresher, then they will ask you uh, about the foundations of programming in any technology that you know. So if you know C sharp or you know Java or you know Python, any of these programming languages, they will ask you questions on that. Okay. If you are going for an off-campus interview, it is better to revise data structures and algorithm and to revise whatever programming language you know. So if you know Java, then revise Java programming, understand the web development framework of Java, learn what is required in data structures and algorithm, understand the object-oriented programming concepts. These are important to clear any interview outside of campus. Okay, which programming language? There is no specific programming language, there is no specific technology. Whatever technology you know, you should be good in that. Okay, or at least your foundations should be clear in that technology. Okay, so you can go with anything. You can go with .NET or you can go with Java, you can go with Python. Okay, I specifically recommend these three programming languages. Friends, all of you who are still watching this video, okay, like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. You can come on next Thursday and join me live. Thank you very much. See you in the next live.